Let's learn IIB. Today, we will learn how to automate IIB build and deployment using Jenkins Groovy pipelines. We'll be extracting our code from GitHub. I'll be using a demo project from our previous YouTube videos. Link in description. We'll start by installing Jenkins 2.2. I'm using portable war distribution of Jenkins. Execute java-jar command to start it. When you run this command for the first time, admin password gets generated and displays on console. Use that to log in to web interface of Jenkins. Install the default set of plugins recommended by Jenkins. We won't need any other plugins for our demo. Configure your username, password used for administration. Then accept the Jenkins instance URL set to http localhost 4080. You will arrive at this page where Jenkins reports that it's completed installing on your machine and is ready to be used. You will later land here where you can create IIB deployment jobs. Remember, we have a Hello World app in GitHub repository. We will now create a pipeline project to build bar file from source code and then deploy it to default execution group. You don't have to configure SCM, build, post build and other Jenkins tasks. Just use pipeline script and write Groovy code to extract code from GitHub. Then build bar file and deploy it. Entire pipeline script is not more than 33 lines. Major commands that were used in my pipeline script are git clone, mqsi create bar, mqsi deploy. Rest are connecting glue that you can write on your own. Jenkins also provides pipeline syntax page to assist users in creating Groovy scripts. I for one am glad to move away from AND-based XML scripts. You can now build your Jenkins job. As shown on screen, this job has 3 stages. You can replay the job or restart from any of the stages. Isn't that cool? When you repeatedly run a job, Jenkins guesstimates the time to complete the job and displays an indicator for the same. In the picture, it indicates time to complete as 51 seconds. For job 5, if you click on console logs, you get a detailed description on the commands that were executed along with their response. Let's verify that Jenkins deployed to default integration server. Use toolkit or web GUI and look at the deployment time and bar file path as shown on screen. What did we learn today? We learned how to install Jenkins, how to create jobs in Jenkins, how to build and deploy bar file using Jenkins. If you found the video to be useful, subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Code is available in GitHub and some documentation is available in the blog post. Links in description. See you in the next video.